Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the duckling from the Mo Willems series. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with the duckling from the Mo Willems series, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to make a nice big circle for the eye. Then, right up here, I'm going to make another big circle for the pupil. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve right around here for the head of the duckling, and then we're going to stop right there. Then we're going to draw two lines that come down for the neck. Now let's make the beak. So to start with the beak, I'm going to begin by making a little line that's just going to curve down and then back up. And then right up here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up, and then we're going to come down, a little bigger than the bottom one. Next, for the body, let's curve this line out to here. And then we're going to bring this line down to a V shape and then back up. I'm going to bring this line over for the back. I'll come up to a point and then curve it down for the tail. Next, I'm going to bring this line out and then back here for that other wing. Now for the legs, let's just draw two lines that come down. Then I'm going to make a line that goes across, and then I'm going to curve it up and down. Same thing here, bring this line across, and then curve it up and down. And there you go, there is your drawing of the duckling from the Mo Willems series. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.